Welcome to Fabric8Labs, an advanced manufacturing company focused on enabling mass production of high-performance products. Our proprietary electrochemical additive manufacturing process, or ECAM for short, is a metal fabrication technology unlike any other. Parts are rapidly manufactured at the atomic level from a room-temperature, water-based feedstock, providing unmatched feature resolution, material quality, and scalability. Using our patented micro-electrode array printhead, we automatically monitor every production run down to each individual pixel, providing true in-situ inspection. We ensure your part is manufactured to your specifications, providing full traceability of all components. The impact of this technology is vast. ECAM is enabling AI data centers with optimized liquid cold plates, satellite communication systems with three-dimensional phased arrays, vehicle electrification with high-performance power modules, and much more. Our growth is accelerating dramatically as more and more customers quickly adopt this groundbreaking technology. To support the demand, we are expanding to a multi-site infrastructure here in the USA and will continue our growth through a global deployment of ECAM factories, providing sustainable and scalable digital manufacturing. Harness the power of ECAM to enable your products and solve your most difficult challenges.